Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit Build a custom homepage for Lightning experience. In this challenge, we'll be creating a Lightning app page. So let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground. Dive into our setup window. Once we are here, let's look for App Builder and click on Lightning App Builder. We'll create a new Lightning app page. For the type, select Homepage. Let's copy paste the label as Sales Home and click on Next and choose a standard homepage template. Then click Done. This becomes our standard homepage. Now let's add some standard components to our standard sales homepage. So drag and drop a performance component followed by an assistant widget. And let's find today's tasks. Drag and drop that as well. The last one will be key deals. That's perfect. After you've done that, let's go ahead and save the page. Make sure to activate the Lightning page too. Here we'll be assigning an app and profile. Let's click on Assign. Let's search for sales and select it. For the profiles, it's the custom sales profile. Click Next and save. Alright, we have activated our new app. So let's make sure we have done everything in this challenge right. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.